Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making rice and peas and fried chicken with a simple salad on the side. And we start by chopping up some lettuce, guys. And guys, I wash my lettuce in salt water. Also my carrot, guys. Yeah, we're chopping up those lettuce. Guys, I don't have good knife skills. I don't have good knife skills, but your girl is learning. I'm gonna get it one day, y'all. I'm gonna get it one day. Now we're shredding our carrot over our lettuce right now, and we use two small carrot over our lettuce. Yes, guys, shred, shred, shred. Guys, we'll be adding to this half teaspoon of sugar and a little orange juice just to balance it out, guys. Then we're going to mix this all in. Yeah. We're mixing it in. Make sure everything is coated properly. Yes, guys, gotta ensure that everything is coated properly. So we have some plain flour, paprika, and my special mix of seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, guys. 2 egg or chicken that is freshly washed and cut with vinegar. Alright, on our chicken we add some salt. Yes, guys, I know. I dipped the spoon with the seasoning in the salt, y'all. I can't believe I did that. OMG. That's crazy. So we add in our special blend of seasoning and paprika to our chicken. Yes, guys. So I season my chicken first, dip it in the egg, and then into the plain old flour. So right now I'm beating my eggs together. Y'all, I don't know why I'm beating these eggs together so long. It's crazy. But we gotta whip those eggs into shape. So our chicken is mixed properly in season. We put that down to cook. And we use then sunflower oil to fry our chicken today. Yes, guys, our chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes. You can go longer than that if you like. But it was a busy day today, so 30 minutes was all I had to give to that chicken. So we're coating our chicken properly. So we dipped it in our egg, then into our plain flour. Make sure every area is coated, guys. Shake off the excess, and I put it in a little dish to rice because the oil wasn't ready as yet. So we're gonna fry 3 pieces at a time, guys, because the more you put in the pot, it cools down the oil and they won't fry evenly. So we want them to fry evenly, guys. So we're doing 3 pieces at a time. Yes, packing that flour. Shake off the excess flour, guys. Make sure you shake off that excess. And now we are putting our first batch of chicken into our oil. And guys, we're using sunflower oil today. We covering the lid so those chicken can incubate, guys. Look at that golden brown fried chicken, y'all. Ooh. Yep. big golden, guys. So I'm gonna take, to make our sauce, I'm gonna take a little bit of the fry oil that is in our pot that have all that flavor. Yes, guys. And into that oil, I'll be adding scallion, thyme, pepper, garlic, and minced ginger to that. So we stir those, let they saute for a while. Guys, you should smell this aroma in the kitchen now. I'm telling you. So we can add some water, plain water, to our sauteed veggies, guys. 1.5 teaspoon of my special blend of seasoning. You can use any seasoning you like. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And again, guys, you can use any seasoning you like. And stir it up and let that cook. We're also adding some ketchup so we can add some body to our sauce. Whoopsie. Yes, that's a lot of ketchup, but guys, it's gonna be good. So we're gonna let that sauce cook down until it's thicking up a bit, and then it's ready. Y'all, this sauce tastes so good though, y'all. It's just simple. And again, so we're testing our peas right now. Our peas are cooked. We add in our thyme and scallion and scotch bonnet to our rice and peas. And don't forget coconut milk. Don't forget your coconut milk, guys. Give that a good stir. I like to add a piece of butter to my rice and peas. I don't know about y'all, but if you don't like butter in your rice and peas, that's fine. Make sure you add salt to taste. Yeah, guys, I love a little piece of butter in my rice and peas. And today we'll be using basmati rice. Yes, guys. Ooh, guys, you see that? Y'all should be smelling this, y'all. Smells so good. Ooh, look at our rice and peas, guys. Oh, it's ready. And our fried chicken. Dinner is served. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and drop a comment. Bye.